how to go from this to this. It is really simple and I'm going to be explaining to you in this video. Welcome to my channel. This is Maria here and I'm very happy to have you in this episode now. So the first step, you need to go through obtain something cute like this little mini booklet that you can turn into a junk journal, you can turn it into a glue book, you can turn it into a diary, honestly for free. So I'm gonna teach you how to do the first step. So usually our magazine starts is really tall and we don't know what to do with all that amount of paper, probably a huge amount of pictures. So I'm gonna teach you how to do it without a minimum effort. So if you measure here, the main idea is to have a quarter little booklet. What is the meaning of a quarter? Is to divide this in 4 parts. So we have 9 inches here and I'm gonna probably do it in centimeters. It's 22, so 22 divided by 4. If we have 20, it's 5. So let's think that we're gonna go like all the way like to 6 or probably 4 inches, but an easy way to do it is just fold this a tiny bit like so and have the middle part. So you go here and then you just mark with your marker. I'm using a Sharpie and this is what I'm going to do. That is the center and I'm gonna measure my first mini booklet, and I did it probably 1 centimeter extra because I wanted to have like a little more space here, but let's be accurate and just do a quarter book, okay? Exactly a quarter. So this is the middle part. As you can see, I divided in 2 parts without measuring anything, and then you go here and you fold it in half and this is what you have. That would be the middle point. And this is kind of a little bit harder, but what you can do is just make a little line and then measure. This is exactly let me see here, this is 5.5 millimeters, so 5.5 inches. So what I'm going to do here is just measure, yes, exactly 5.5. So I come here and I got 0.5 there and then here 5.5. So this is it and I'm gonna measure here. So this is super easy, and as you can see, I don't even use too much ruler and too much measurements to do this. So in this way we're just gonna have the 4 quadrants there, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's gonna start cutting this. In a previous video that I'm gonna link down below in the description box down here, I posted the making of this journal, but I didn't upload the cutting. So this part I'm showing it today, I'm showing to you. So we just go and I'm gonna just redo this. So another important thing is that as you can see here, you will see I'm gonna just extract this part and I'm gonna leave all these 3 attached. Why? Because I want to use all these parts like I did before to complete this little booklet. Because the amazing thing about this, and I'm going to be explaining to you through this video, is like everything you see here is from the same magazine, except little things, you know, a very few things come from another magazine, but everything in here is like a recutting and paste from the same magazine. For example, this butterfly came from outside, this they were in here, but mostly I did the whole thing with the same materials. So let's start cutting. Usually you're gonna go by layers, so you just start doing these little by little and you'll see that you go like deeper every time you pass through this. Of course you can always help yourself with a scissors, that's not a problem. And once you have the first layers, you just can go ahead and follow the same line as I'm doing here. So you just press it down really hard and then you keep moving and moving till you reach the bottom part. This is very simple. just be careful, you know, and just keep cutting and cutting and cutting. I'm not gonna cut this video because I want to take you through the whole process so you don't have any doubts, and I'm gonna take you more than far away from just cutting a magazine, right? So we're gonna go here, and you see I'm reaching like approximately like half of the magazine already. Okay, so this is what we have, and that you see how our booklet is coming out. It's really easy. And then we're gonna do the same on the horizontal line. So I'm going to do that. And let me just place my cutting board under this. I don't have it on hand, but I'm gonna use this folder. So I'm not going into my desk, of course, so be careful about it. And I'm not using the ruler anymore, so you just go ahead and cut. Cut and cut and cut. Probably you're gonna do like 2 or 3 pages at a time. But we're pretty close to the back. And sometimes it is easy to just show something when it's all finished, but I understand that you want to see step by step every one of my ideas. So here it goes. I'm dedicating this to all people that are watching and let me be in their screens. And also some of you ask me, like, can you post the making of the first part, like the cutting, how did you cut it? And so that's why I'm doing also this video here. You see, I'm just, yay, I'm gonna have just probably 3 pages to go. And the back cover is a little bit harder and thick, so I just go deep. Ta-da! This is a crucial moment. I'm about to reach the bottom, and voila! So I have half of my quarter booklet, and now I'm gonna do the same in here. You need to try what is better for you. If you're gonna do the cut this way, because remember we have glue in here, so this is thick and hard, or if it's better for you to come this way. I think I'm gonna go this way, like starting from where the glue is, because it is harder. So it's thicker and the material is harder. So I go here. Okay, so once I have the little line, I just go ahead and follow it. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, almost there. It looks like horizontally is faster. I don't know why. Well, probably it's a little bit shorter too. That's why I'm almost like halfway. And then you can always like go like that on the spine just to trespass where the glue is. And another advantage of doing this is like you're gonna have 2 booklets actually. So you're gonna have 2 mini material substrates that you can use later with anything you want. Also, you don't have to do this all at the same time. And let's check. I'm only like halfway of the whole magazine, so I need to keep doing this. And probably pushing a little bit more, like pressuring the craft knife. Alright, if you notice that it's a little bit harder here, you can also use a scissors, strong ones. Okay, so let me see, almost there. Yeah, I was able to I defeated the spine with all the glue, so I'm almost there. Almost there, almost there, almost there. Just be patient, don't get despair. And of course, I don't want to cut the video and edit it because you asked me to see the whole process. So that's why I'm here. And by the way, if you like my videos and you get motivation and inspiration, you can always click in here in this little button in there or under below this video and subscribe to my channel. That'll make me so happy. Alright, so I'm excited. Yes, my second mini booklet. Guys, this is addictive. Once you start like decorating it or working on it, it's magical. Why? Because you have something that belongs to you since the beginning. Because let's say that you buy a book or a sketchbook to start working, and then you bought the substrate, you didn't like create it. But in this case, I am literally, and you will literally creating the substrate you're gonna be working on. And so for me, it has more value, and also it's going to expand your creativity a lot. I can tell you that. Okay, so what do we have here? I just have a tiny bit more. I don't want to rip it off because then it's going to be horrible. So I'm just going to go here and get into that little angle. This is a crucial moment. Oh, I don't know what I have here. Okay, so I am free, totally free horizontally. I just need to cut a tiny bit more vertical here. And let's see. Oh, we still have like a little point there. Okay. Please, do you want to burn? It's gonna be your birthday today. Please. Tiny bit more effort. There. 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 And let me see. Yes. Here. Let me just watch it close. Yes. Well, I need to tell you something. This will be like the tough part of the whole thing, but it's part of the process. So guys, I am just finishing with this second little mini booklet. Woo! So I'm ready to go. And I have an idea, just came into my mind in this precise moment. If you want to make like a bigger or a thicker mini booklet, what you're gonna do is you've cut the second part, that will be 1/4, 2, 3, 4. So you're gonna use 1 and 3. You cut this here, and then you glue one on top of the other one. This is gonna give you double the pages. The number of pages is gonna be double. So right now I'm just gonna leave it like so, and because you already know the process, so you just make sure that you have a good crafting knife. This needs to be new, and also a ruler to measure. But if you don't have a ruler, remember you can always fold here, and then you have the center. You do it also folding in this way, and then you have those little lines, and then you have the 4/4. This can be different. You can adapt it to the way you want or you like to work. Most of the time I like to work vertically, so even if I'm writing or I'm making a list or something, I do it in a vertical way. But some people learn more or are able to memorize more when they work horizontally. So another idea is that you can have 2 booklets, like I will be half of the magazine, so you will have all the way there and all the way here. So this will be one mini booklet or half mini booklet, and then this is going to be the second one. By just for now, I'm going to have the quarter mini booklets, and I just show you in this video how to obtain this cutie little thing. So thanks for watching, and I see you soon in my next episode. Remember, don't go away. If you like this content, just give me a thumbs up for this video, and also go ahead and subscribe. Here in my picture, you can just click here and you automatically be subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, and I see you soon in my next episode. Bye. Bye, friends. I'm happy because I have my second mini booklet. Ooh. Bye, friends.